Okay, so you want to export your Word document as a web page or an HTML page. Now I'm going to export this Power Query course notes document as a web page. So to do this, I go to File, Save a Copy. Then I'm going to double click on this PC and navigate to where I want to save the web page. Now you need to set your save as type as either web page or web page filtered. I'll explain the difference between the two as we go through this video. In the first instance, I'm going to choose web page. If you want to, you can specify a page title by clicking on the Change Title button. So you can see that the title of the page is displayed in the title bar of the browser. Google and Bing also use this page title when they list your web page in their search results. Click on OK once you've typed your title, and then click on Save. Now, Word does have a web layout view, and it automatically uses that view once you've saved the document as a web page. If I go to the View tab up here, you can see that web layout is selected. So we can see how our document will appear as a web page. Okay, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to use that other web page file type. We're going to go to File, Save a Copy, navigate to where we want to save the web page. So this time, my Save As type is going to be Web Page Filtered. I can specify a title again. Click on OK. Click on Save. And this time you get a little message up. Saving the document in this format, Web Page Filtered, will remove Office-specific tags. Some Office features may not be available when you reopen this page. Do you want to save the document in this format? To save, click Yes. To preserve formatting, click No. Then save the document in web page format. So that is the file type that we used previously. So I'm going to click Yes. And again, it will give you a preview of the document. So why would you go for that second file type where there is a danger that you will lose some formatting? Well, I've saved the two versions of the web page in different folders. So initially we just saved the document as a standard web page. And if we have a look at the file size of that folder, you can see it's 903 kilobytes. Now, if I then look at the file size of this folder, where we use the web page filtered file type, you can see that it's half the size of the previous folder. So that's the advantage of using this file type. It's more efficient in terms of the overall file size. If I have a look within the folders, you can see that I have the web page itself, and I have a folder with all the images and other files that are needed for the web page. Now there is one more file type that you can use. If we go to File, Save a Copy, from this drop-down list you'll see that there is a file type called Single File Web Page. All of the assets within that page are stored as one file. So you won't have, for example, a separate folder containing your web images. The only trouble with that file type, it does create an even larger file size than the web page format that we looked at earlier on. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.